What is going on, guys? Sneaky back here again. This is the first video I've done in a while, and today we are in this absolutely massive old factory. Came here on the bike. If you don't already follow the bike account or the vehicle account, then there it is. Let's get on with it. So this was actually created into a skate park. It's been here for quite a while. They've actually started to dismantle the building, meaning that the skate park has seen better days. I'm keeping my voice down because there's actually an active lorry place just over there. But this is kind of cool. Even got a little grind rail there. Pretty smashed up. So I'm looking for an entrance to the main building. Not too sure where that would be. This place is honestly full of shit. So is that fucking door. Do we have to go through there? It's propped to open with this thing. I feel like half this video is going to be me being lost. I just ended up back by my bike. What the fuck? So this place is absolutely huge. Mad. So this place is just covered in graffiti. I think we want to go through there to get upstairs. There we go. All the shit on the floor. What I'm really trying to find is the main building. What? Yeah, we're not in the right place. I'm still lost. Not gonna lie. It's confusing, it's like a labyrinth in it. I see some stairs. Shoo. This place is creepy as fuck. Toilets, love that. Look at this place. Whoa. Sheesh. Oh, lift there. Holy shit. Ah. Right. What the fuck? That's so fucking weird. Did not expect to see people there, to be honest. Onwards and upwards we go. So, I think they were just photographing it. I never bumped into other people photographing in these places, so that was a weird one. Whoa, this is sick. Just here vibing. So this place is pretty bare, honestly. It's been a bit trashed. Definitely one of the duller places I've been in regards to what's here. But it is fucking massive, so that's always nice. This place is so low. So honestly, I don't really know what I'm looking at in this place. Some of the other places I've been in, I've been able to say, oh yeah, this was this. But this place is so smashed up. Honestly, I haven't a clue. Looking about. Seems to be a dead end. We've got another car pulling up. Are you mad? He's off. So we might as well see what's down here on the other end of the building. It looks like this opens up into that little courtyard place that we were just looking at. Whoa, this is sick. Oh, this is mad. Shee. Onwards and upwards. Drafty in here. Fat dinosaur. This is where we came in, that big corridor there, the steps. We were parked down the other side of that building. Shoot. So, as I said before, this place is covered in graffiti. Some of the other places we've been to have been alright for graffiti in that, especially that cottage that was like untouched. This place, every single wall, and even the floor apparently, is just graffiti. This is sick. Done a full on like floor delete. Through there. So not my usual talkative self today. Usually I don't shut up, but this is the first time I've done this in quite a while. So we're just kind of chilling with it. Some proper Silent Hill shit. Mad. So there is an even larger section to this building, which we won't be exploring today because I haven't really got time. We're just doing the basics. That is insane. The fuck do you paint that? So many different levels to this shit. See, I thought this place was like the Chapman building, it's all big and open. But it's more like a labyrinth of different levels and steps, to be honest. I can't tell my head from my ass. Keep going up. Proper battered roof. I wonder if I can get up there. Might even be able to see my bike. Jeez. I was not expecting this. Bare houses right there. Nice squeaky ass boots. I actually hate wearing bike gear for this shit, but it is what it is. I'll be fucked if I remember how I got that with it though. So like you probably already recognise this spot, a lot of people, especially locally, have done this. But somehow it's taken me about 3 years to actually get down here, which is ridiculous. But it is what it is. So it's pretty plain, like even the factory we did before was a bit more interesting than this. This one's pretty empty, not a lot going on. We've had a few cottages that were definitely more interesting than this. The hotel, which was insane until everything went wrong. If you haven't checked that one out, definitely go check it out. The alarms went off, the bloody camera died, the light died, the microphone didn't work properly, it was awful. Should we have a look down here? So it's basically symmetrical to the other side. I think we went down, or did we go right? No, we went down. Fucking fan's still spinning, that's weird. Oh, really? This light always dies when I don't want it to. Like when it's like, we'll use the light just for the sake of the camera. Then it fucking works. As soon as it's like, I actually need to be able to see, it's like, nope. Not having any of that, mate.